Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have these LED net lights, and so I just plugged it in right now, and I can show you guys here we have the button does different things here. So we have 1 is combination, 2 is in waves, 3 is sequential, 4 is slow glow, 5 is chasing lights, 6 slow fade, 7 twinkle flash, and 8 is steady on. Oops, I guess I kind of have them off. So this is combination. I'll just leave it like that. So I'll show you guys what we get here. So we have the huge strands here of them. Let's see, what is it tied on with? I guess the last one here. So this is going to be a big net like that. So what this gives you the ability to do is to drape it over a bush or something like that. You can put it over several bushes and it'll give you a huge net of lights. Or you can just hang it on the wall and it'll just be a huge net of lights. So how cool is that? And then with the different modes and things like that, it'll do different stuff. So it's really cool. So if you need a nice, and these here come off here, so you can kind of string it across. So I just don't want to do it just yet, but you get the idea. And it plugs in just traditionally through all those 2-prong plug thingies. And then you push the button to make things go. So this one here is like alternating. It's pretty cool. So there's, what was that? Yeah, and it looks like there's multicolors all in there. Kind of a neat little setup here. I like this. So there we go. So very cool little setup here. So I'm gonna go put these outside over some bushes and we will have a cool light display this year. Very cool, I like it. Thumbs up for sure.